the draft. Gone with the draft. When Skinny me went out with my honey, the boys all started to laugh. But now it's not so funny. They're all gone with the draft. As a sheep I can't be beat. The boys all hand me a laugh. But since I have got flat feet, I'm not gone with the draft. I used to envy the fellows who had such fine physique. But all they can say is hello on 750 a week. When the boys get back and see how I'm doing, they'll be sorry they laugh. 'Cause one can't keep on wooing and still be gone with the draft. When Franklin D. did sign the draft, the cats all had a chill. The boys turned pale and ceased to laugh, 'cause this is a serious bill. They now realize that Skinny me was the luckiest one of all. We can stay at home with Minnie while they face the cannonball. So boys, take it on the chin and always wear a smile. You'll find it hard to win, carrying 50 pounds per mile. When your year of drill is up, you get your camp's discharged. You can come back home and freshen up and run around at large. Gone with the draft.